What's up, y'all? Hope you guys are having a good time out there. It's my birthday month. I hope you guys are having a great month, enjoying yourself out there, because it should be a good month for everybody out there. And this video is about a shoe review that I'm going to be doing. And it's a great shoe. I got it as a present for myself. And I'm going to actually be showcasing it to you guys in very, very soon. So stay tuned. Let's get into this shoe review. Alright guys, this is the unveiling of the shoe in itself. This is the Nike Blazer mid 77s. I got them in 10.5 just to make sure they fit perfectly. And ta-da, this is the shoe in question. These shoes are a sneakerhead's dream. You can actually buy different colorways in these shoes. You can get them in whatever material that you want. Some of them are in fabric. Some of them are in leather, as this one is in leather and suede. I like the sole of this shoe, and the bottom, obviously, it's similar to the Vans, but it looks way better aesthetically. And the toe box is suede, so is the side as well. The swoosh sign is green. The back of it is also suede with the Nike sign. The tongue is sponge tongue. It's been a while since I've worn a sponge tongue shoe. This is the fall 2022 collection. Obviously certified fresh, as you could see. These are obviously fresh shoes right there. And with the pink laces, I chose to go with the pink laces because it comes with 2 sets of laces. The beige ones to actually match the shoe uniformly. But I like the pink ones because the outfit I'm going to pull off actually has pink in it as well. I'm going to pull a little Cameron fit to go with this. So you can't really go wrong with these shoes. The bottom of the shoe is very, very cool. As you can see, it's awesome looking. You can't go wrong with these shoes. If you're interested in getting yourself a pair, the link will be in the description below as well. And those shoes are the competitor for the Converse All-Stars. They're great workout shoes, but these are actually casual going out shoes because of the fact that these are leather. For me, these are a little leather. I wanted the leather ones. I didn't want the fabric ones. So that's why these are going to be going out, like clubbing shoes or hanging out shoes for me, because I think these aesthetically looks way better than the fabric ones. Obviously, you can get various colorways like I mentioned earlier. You can get the swoosh in blue, you can get it in black, you can get it in all sorts of different colorways, and they're very affordable as well. You could find them on sale at the Nike outlet as well. But be sure to leave the link, the Amazon link for these, where I got these from, in the description below. If you have any comment, feel free to hit me up in the comments below as well. Don't hesitate to like and subscribe this video as well. I'm hoping you guys get yourself a pair, because from what I'm hearing and from what I've seen in the reviews, those are super comfortable and those shoes are super popular as well. There's the trendiest shoes that are out there right now from Nike, and everybody seems to be enjoying them. It's great to have an old school shoe with new school flavor, and this is what this brings. The Nike Blazer, that is. And you can't go wrong with that. You could actually use this in various outfits. Obviously, if you buy different colorways. Yeah, I believe there's a pair that you could buy that actually comes with different color swooshes with Velcro in it. And you could Velcro it on the swoosh sign on to the sneaker. These are actually cost a little bit more. Obviously, the more customization you make, the more money you will end up spending on these. But for me, these actually fit the bill and they're a hit. I love them. I can't wait to wear them tonight when I go out. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video all the way to its entirety. Appreciate it very much. My channel, Stanley's Review, has a goal as of the end of this year to reach 5,000 subscribers, and this is where you guys come in. I'd love for you guys to subscribe and also like and comment on some of our videos as well. Check out our channel and interact with us. Let us know exactly what kind of videos you want us to make, what kind of review videos you want us to make. That would be greatly appreciated. Any suggestions that you guys can give, that would be awesomely appreciated. And I'd be more than happy to interact with you in regards to these matters as well. Enjoy, guys. Have a great day. Peace.